Hey everybody, we got a '05 Chevrolet truck here. Person was complaining that it has no brake pedal. Well, we have already changed all the brake lines on this truck to stainless steel. So we started looking at it to figure out why it had no brake fluid in it. And you can see this rotor is completely gone. It's supposed to look like this. He has driven it so far to wear all the fins out. And then what happens is the piston inside the caliper here has popped out. And you really can't see it, it's got the anti-throttle clip. Yep, there it is. There's a piston right there that has popped out and all the brake fluid's leaked. The truck's probably been sitting, that's why there's no fluid leaking. So he should have been able to hear that thing grinding. I don't know why he couldn't hear that grinding. All right, so we got the caliper off, and you can see that the phenolic piston has ruptured and it's all wet where it has leaked its brake fluid out. That's why this guy has no brake pedal, because he drove it so long that the pad actually fell out. And he ground the rotor down. He ground the rotor down to nothing. So this thing needs calipers, rotors, and we took it apart to check the parking brake shoes, and the parking brake shoes are okay. The backing plate is a little rusty, but it's okay for now. So that's why one reason I don't like phenolic pistons. They're basically like a clay pot. I like steel pistons, but this one probably would have done the same thing because he just ground the brakes down to nothing. All right, everybody. Thanks a lot for watching. Please subscribe. You can always do that in that corner there. Please give me a thumbs up if you like my automotive short videos.